Enjoys a few chug-a-lugs along with us. Now she does have a favorite game, and I'm sure you guys will recognize what it is. She loves a few tickles, and what do you guys do after you get tickled?
Wow.
You laugh. So does Eddie. Now she is a little bit of a curious bird because every time we're working around her enclosure, she always asks us this question. A lot of what she does whenever we're working around her. Now we do know she's a female Amazon because we sent her feather off to a DNA lab to get it tested and it came back as a female. Sue and I, we can't actually tell the difference between male and female because their feathering is exactly the same. Now she did give us a few clues though because every time a male Amazon came into the room, she would blow him a little whistle. And then of course she'll blow him a couple kisses. Quite the little cheeky bird we have here at Safari. Now we do have a couple songs that she would love to sing for you guys, but first we're gonna have to warm up her voice. Sound a little bit in tune to you guys? Maybe a little bit. Well, for her first song, she's very proud of where she hatched, which was right here at African Lion Safari in Canada. She's not native to here, but being proud of where she hatched, she knows a little bit of our national anthem. A few old Canadas. Now for our next song though, I'm wondering, are there any birthdays out there in the crowd today?
Put your hand up.
Yeah, a couple hands, okay, good. Well, what about any more birthdays in the month of October? A few more, all right. Well, Eddie and I don't like to leave anybody out, so is your birthday in the next year or so? Yeah, okay, good. Should have got everyone with that one. Well, if it's your birthday here today, then this one's for you.